Yeah, man, this one is all about the domestic affair. So may I say, and due to the domestic affair, me could come cross with that one. And me say, where your woman gone? She can go give you bun where your man gone. Him gonna go give you bun far, far away. Far, far away. Let me tell you, say, where your woman gone? She can go give you bun where your man gone. Him gonna go give you bun far, far away. Far, far away. If your man a give you bun, just give him back bun. No lick him down, give him back bun. And you wanna give your bun, you fi give her back bun. No lick her down, just give her back bun. Long time me turn up, now me well want sit down. Me go cry for the whole world in a Saddam. Cry for the man where they use opium. Give me more bass with a little volume. Talk reggae music, my people have fun. Cause I have a lot of 45, one album. Some a dash bun, can't take bun. Some gonna Bellevue and looking at the sun. Some suicide and gonna underground. Some in a rum bar to coat the rum. Any girl bun me have to run up and down. On top of that then get all type of bun. Long bun, short bun and sugar bun. Feel me all enough like dung a pet come. Dance with girl hard make them. I in a me pocket when me and me can. A bun a man in a the house is hiding. Hiding. Bun a man in a the house is hiding. Him a hide from the people them house ban. Bun a man, we are.
Yeah, Amma. Bad song. Bad song, very creative. Me love the lyrics and love how you put it together. You see me I deal with. But you know the competition serious and you see me I deal with. You know you have to go hard, said way. You see me I deal with. So I think you could have deliver it little better. You see me I deal with, but trust me. Bad man. 7 me game, my God.
Alright. Me like how the artists them a go, hey, Lady Tash. Me like how the artists them a fall back. Yeah, them go and do them homework and bring it to the table. Well excited.
I like how you come back this week. You understand me? You not just give me gimmicks. You talk about what is happening around us. You understand me? So I bet you give back bun more than killer. You understand? So here what I'm a man is a 8
Nobody no bigger than Bun. Talbas, what do you have to say about Amaban? Hey, me I tell you, festive, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm a man. I know stammer, man. You don't know. Domestic affair for real. Give him a 7. You know, yeah, man, nice tune.
All right, 7, everybody, put up a score. All right, put up the score. Put up all numbers. Yeah. 7, 7, 8, 9, 4. All right, so big up yourself, General. We like